Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Minecraft multiplayer server. Let's get into it. First, check your internet and restart. The first step is to make sure your own connection is working and to give the game a fresh start. Sometimes the computer just needs a quick break to work right again. Turn off your game, turn off your internet box for a moment, and then turn them both back on. Close the game completely and wait for your internet lights to turn green before you try to log in again. Because most problems come from a tired connection, you have to restart so the computer can find a clean path. Without this step, you might keep seeing an error message even if the server is actually ready to go. Next, update your game version. You need to make sure you and the server are using the exact same version of the game. Look at the main screen where you start the game and see if there is an update button. Click the button to get the newest files and make sure the number matches the one the server is using. Because the game won't let you in if the files don't match up. By getting the newest version, you are making sure your computer speaks the same language as the server. It ensures you don't get kicked out for having old information. Next, refresh the server list. Now you are going to tell the game to look again for the server to see if it can find a better connection. Go to the multiplayer screen and look for the button at the bottom that says refresh for the fix. Click the button and wait for the signal bars next to the server name to turn green, because it forces the game to check the status of the world again. Sometimes the list gets stuck showing old information. Clicking refresh is the key step to getting the right output and seeing that the server is actually open. And that's it. To fix your server, you must first restart your game and internet to get a fresh start. Then, you update your game so it matches the server. Next, you click the refresh button to update the list. Finally, you type the server address in again to fix any small errors. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.